YouTube. What do we got up to today? I really don't want to do this. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, I know it's been a while since you've all seen the truck. I'm going to do like a little in-depth detail overview of some of the stuff I've done. But today, we are replacing the hubs. Yes, we are. Not a whole lot to really say with it, other than I got to get it done. But I guess I might just do a time lapse of this. I think it'd look kind of cool. Hopefully you all enjoy it. Just a little, in case anyone's trying to find the actual torque specs. So for the wheel nuts, they should be 165 foot-pounds. These right here that mount the dually adapters, those should be 130, and the ones that actually bolt the wheel hub to the main assembly, to basically to the front diff, 133 foot-pounds. I was doing the research last night and found all those numbers. I guess without further ado, let's just start. I'm gonna time lapse what I can, and if I run into anything, I'm gonna video it just so you all know what to do. Yeah, let's just start taking off this wheel. Little backstory on this. For anyone who has the problem, I'm hoping this fixes it at least, but for anyone who has the problem where you're driving it and it just starts making weird grinding noises, well, just lift your truck up and spin the wheel around, see if it grinds, you know, find out which wheel. I'm just gonna do both front hubs because I don't know when they were last done, if they were ever done. The truck's got going on 307,000 miles now. So I think it's just better safe than sorry kind of thing. So we're gonna get this done, and I guess just go from there, YouTube. I don't know. But stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now. Alright YouTube, I am not going to show my face right now because I am sweating like crazy out here, but listen really closely to the bearing grinding. Can you all hear that? Yep. So that bearing is definitely, I'm going to say shot. Without looking at it, I'm going to say it's shot. We have, what is it, like one more bolt? It's really left and it's behind here, so that's gonna be fun to get to. But after that, this should be ready to pop out. I already got the snap ring out, hubs all apart, brakes to the side. Another thing I don't think I ever videoed was I put stainless steel brake lines on this truck, so to hopefully never have I'm not even gonna say it. I like having brakes, let's put it that way. But yeah, let's guess start working on this part. And we're almost there, YouTube. It's just it's a hot day.
Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah. But we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we caught them? We weren't supposed to break up. Let's make up to what my heart meant. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. When we thought that we were better than all of the others, just us, just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us, let love rule, not be us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down.
All right, YouTube. One side is done. I really can't see anything from this angle, unfortunately, but I can show you how bad this other one was, and I can only imagine how the other side's gonna be once I take it all apart. So the bearing in here, I believe, is what was making the noise, because it is like stiff as a rock. Still kind of moves, but I can see how that would make a grinding sound if it's not greased anymore. Kind of freeing it up a little. So I'm hoping this is what was the problem. If not, it's probably the U-joint, but I think we're just gonna play it by ear. Gonna get the other side done. See if that fixes our problem. Yeah, so this one's gonna go. Yeah, she was pretty gone. So, but yeah, that's all I have for now, YouTube. I'm gonna get the other side done. I mean, I think you all kind of saw what I had to do, so I'm not gonna record this side. I'm just gonna report to you all once I get done, I guess. So stay tuned. That's all I got for now. And once I'm done, I'm going to give you all a breakdown on everything I've done so far, and just a few more plans for the truck in the future. Stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.